Good morning everyone. Standard 8 Science Chapter 5 Coal and Petroleum. Let us start with the lesson. Natural resources can be broadly classified into two kinds: inexhaustible natural resource and exhaustible. These resources are present in unlimited quantity in nature and are not likely to be exhausted by human activities. Example: sunlight and air. Is it clear? Second is exhaustible. They can be exhausted by human activities. Examples are forest, wildlife, minerals, coal, petroleum and natural gas. In this chapter, we will learn about some exhaustible natural resources like coal, petroleum and natural gas. These were formed from the dead remains of living organisms and are also known as fossil fuels. 5.1 Coal. Coal, petroleum and natural gas are fossil fuels. Coal is a fossil fuel formed by deeply buried remains of vegetation under compression, high pressure and high temperature over millions of years. The process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called carbonization. It is a very slow process. Coal is processed to obtain coke, coal tar and coal gas. So let us see the history of coal now. Figure 5.2 Coal mine. Here we have coke, coal tar and coal gas. Let us see what is coke. It is a tough, porous and black substance. It is an almost pure form of carbon. Coke is used in the manufacture of steel and in the extraction of many metals. Coal tar. It is a black thick liquid with an unpleasant smell. It is a mixture of about 200 substances and it is used in industry like drugs, dyes, explosives, plastics, paints and many more. Coal gas. Coal gas is obtained during processing of coal to get coke. It is also used as fuel in many industries situated near the coal processing plants. 5.2 is petroleum. Petrol and diesel are obtained from natural resource called petroleum. Now do you know how petroleum is formed? Petroleum was formed from organisms living in the sea. As these organisms died, their bodies settled at the bottom of the sea and got converted with layers of sand and clay. Over millions of years, absence of air, high temperature and high pressure transformed the dead organisms into petroleum and natural gas. Next we have refining of petroleum. Now, the process of separating the constituents of petroleum is called refining. Now, see the figure. Figure 5.4 shows petroleum and natural gas deposits. A petroleum refinery is shown in the figure. It is carried out in a petroleum refinery, all the constituents in various fractions. Now let us see the table 5.1. LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, uses fuel for home and industry. Second is petrol, where it is used motor fuel, solvent for dry cleaning. Kerosene, fuel for stoves, lamps and for jet aircraft. Diesel, fuel for heavy motor vehicles, electric generators. Lubricating oil, lubrication. Paraffin wax, ointment, candles, Vaseline. Bitumen, paints, road surfacing. Now we go to the point 5.3 is natural gas. Natural gas is very important fuel because it is easy to transfer through pipes. Natural gas is supplied under high pressure as compressed natural gas CNG. CNG is used for power generator. Natural gas is very important fossil fuel. LPG, the petroleum gas which has been liquefied under pressure, is known as liquefied petroleum gas. CNG, compressed natural gas, is stored under high pressure as compressed natural gas. It can be used directly for burning homes and factories. Fossil fuel, forest and minerals are natural sources which are limited, so we have to use carefully. PCRA advises people how to save petrol, diesel while driving vehicles. Some natural resources are limited. You know that coal and petroleum are fossil fuels. It required the dead organism millions of years to get converted into these fuels. On the other hand, the known resources of this will last only a few hundred years. Moreover, burning of this fuel is a major cause of air pollution. Their use is also linked to global warming. It is therefore necessary that we use these fuels only when absolutely necessary. This will result in better environment, smaller risk of global warming, and their availability for a longer period of time. Petroleum Conservation Research Association PCRA advises people how to save petrol, diesel while driving. The tips are: drive at a constant and moderate speed as far as possible. Switch off the engine at traffic lights or at a place where you have to wait. Ensure correct tire pressure. Ensure regular maintenance of the vehicle. Summarized topic: coal, petroleum and natural gas are fossil fuels. Fossil fuels were formed from the dead remains of living organisms millions of years ago. Fossil fuels are exhaustible resources. Coke, coal tar and coal gas are products of coal. Petroleum gas, petrol, diesel, kerosene, paraffin wax, lubricating oil are obtained by refining petroleum. Coal and petroleum resources are limited, so we have to use them in a proper way. Thank you.